Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word. I'm Alex, your host, and today we're diving into a simple yet expressive word, ah. This is an A2 level exclamation that you've probably heard many times before. Ah is a versatile little word used to express surprise, relief, or understanding. It's a fantastic tool for showing emotion in everyday conversations. Let's break it down. Imagine you've just discovered something surprising. You might say, I didn't see that coming. Or perhaps you've been struggling with a puzzle and the solution finally clicks. You'd say, now I get it. It can also show relief, like when you sit down after a long day. This feels so much better. If we're talking synonyms, we have words like oh, which is similar but slightly less specific. For example, you could say, oh, I understand now. Another synonym is aha, which works especially well for showing sudden realization, like, I've figured it out. Now for some antonyms. While exclamations don't have direct opposites, we might consider responses that reflect confusion or dissatisfaction. For instance, instead of someone might say to show they're puzzled, like in, I don't get it. Or to show frustration, they might use ugh as in, this is so annoying. In everyday life, you'll often hear in casual conversations. For instance, when someone offers you a drink and you take a refreshing sip, you might say, that's perfect. Or when you're listening to a friend explain something and it starts to make sense, you could respond with, I see what you mean. It's also common in storytelling. Picture someone recounting a suspenseful moment. And that's when it all went wrong. Let's try a few examples to lock this in. I didn't know that. So that's the reason. This coffee is just what I needed. See how easily it fits into different situations? To wrap up, is a short but powerful word that adds emotion and clarity to your conversations. Whether you're expressing surprise, relief, or understanding, it's a great tool to have in your English vocabulary. Thank you for tuning in to this episode of Hello Word. If you enjoyed this and want to learn more, please subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover the show. Before you go, I'd love for you to create your own sentence using and share it in the comments. I'll see you next time, and until then, keep practicing your English.